Welcome back to the deep dive. We're always keeping an eye on the AI agent store, seeing what's new, what's trending.
Hmm.
And recently, Glama AI popped up on our radar,
Huh.
found it listed there, and thought, yeah, this deserves a closer look.
Absolutely. So we dug into its listing on the AI agent store. It bills itself as this all-in-one AI workspace.
Right.
So our mission today basically is to figure out what that really means.
Mhm.
What's it offering, and could it actually be useful for, say, streamlining your work or getting better insights?
Okay, yeah, let's try and unpack that a bit.
Yeah.
So, Glama AI, it seems like they're targeting folks who are like really using AI day to day.
Power users, maybe?
Yeah, maybe power users like data analysts, researchers, educator, even software developers. The listing positions it as an alternative to, juggling a bunch of different AI tools separately.
And looking at the features they list,
Hmm.
it's quite a range. Access to leading AI models, that's kind of table stakes now, but they also mention visualization tools.
Oh, the diagram thing.
Yeah, turning text prompts into professional-looking diagrams, that's pretty neat. And automated math problem solving that outputs in LaTeX.
Okay, that latex part could be really specific but useful for academics or technical fields, right?
Definitely. And they're also making a big deal about security, robust encryption, that kind of thing.
Which is always good to hear. Plus, the team features caught my eye: shared workspaces, consolidated billing.
Right. That suggests they're thinking beyond just the individual user. It points towards, integrating AI more deeply into team workflows, maybe even organizational processes.
Okay, so something that really jumped out at me from the agent's listing was this autonomy level. They rated at 81%. That sounds high.
It is high, yeah.
Yeah.
And according to their description, that rating is based on a few things. They have something called a Model Context Protocol, MCP.
NCP. Okay.
It essentially lets Glama AI integrate custom tools more easily. Plus, they have an OpenAI-compatible API, which gives you flexibility to swap different models in and out.
So more choice for the user in terms of which AI engine they're using under the hood.
Exactly. And they describe the whole infrastructure as self-contained, minimal human intervention needed once it's running.
Mm.
They even claim support for over 100 AI models with automatic load balancing and fallback. So it sounds pretty resilient. That 81% likely reflects this sort of self-managing capability.
Okay, so high autonomy means it can kind of run itself more, less direct fiddling needed once it's set up.
That seems to be the idea. Performs tasks with less direct oversight.
Got it. So boiling this down,
Hmm.
what are the key takeaways? What could someone actually do with Glama AI based on this listing?
Well, a few clear use cases seem to pop out. One is accessing and comparing outputs from different AI models side by side that could be valuable.
Yeah, for benchmarking or just finding the best result for a specific task.
Right. Then there's the analysis part, uploading your information and getting insights, or using the visualization to, make complex ideas clear with diagrams.
Then the collaboration piece, the shared workspaces for teams.
Exactly. Seems like a potentially powerful combo, especially if you're analyzing data or working on research projects together.
Okay. What about getting started? Is it expensive?
The listing says it uses a freemium model, so there's likely a free tier to try it out, see if it fits, before you commit financially.
That's good. Accessibility is key.
One thing to note, though, the code itself is closed source, so you don't get visibility into the underlying workings in that sense.
Right, standard for many commercial tools. And its popularity. The listing had that too, right?
Yeah, a popularity level of 65%, so
Yeah.
not like a household name yet, but
Yeah.
definitely seems to be gaining some traction, indicates there's a growing user base.
Okay, interesting. So to quickly recap, Glama AI, found on the AI Agent Store, pitched as an all-in-one AI workspace, offers multiple models, visualizations, math tools, team features, strong security focus.
And that high autonomy rating suggesting a fairly self-sufficient platform. Freemium model, but closed source. Growing, but maybe not mainstream just yet.
Definitely something to think about. With these platforms bundling so much together, analysis, visualization, collaboration, multiple AIs, how does that change how individuals, how teams tackle complex work?
Yeah, it really makes you wonder about the future of these integrated AI environments. Are we moving away from single-pass tools towards these broader workspaces?
Food for thought. If you're curious, you can check out the listing for Glama AI and, tons of other tools over at the AI Agent Store. The site is aiagentstore.ai.
Worth exploring.